Hello lettering friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways to letter April in some fun different styles. I chose 10 different pink pens to letter these. 2 of them are more purple, but I wanted to use them and I didn't have a pink pen for them. You'll see me use the Monami Plus Pen 3000, the Pentel Touch brush pen, the Karin Fibralo brush pen, the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, the Kelly Creates small brush pen, Karin Markers Brush Marker Pro, Zebra Funwari brush pen, Sharpie Stained, Marvy LePen Flex brush pen, and the Faber Castell Pitt Artist brush pen. These are just random pens that I chose. I'd love to hear if you have tried all of these pens, which ones have you tried or not tried, which ones do you like? You will see me using worksheets that I created for these lettering styles. If you would like to practice with me and you want to print these worksheets out, find all the details below on how you can do that. I've left the words in real-time speed so you can feel like you're practicing with me. I just want to thank you as always for being here and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you watching this video. Let me know if you enjoy these styles, and I will see you next time.